Hello there, welcome back to the Understanding CMS and DAM of the Appmint tutorial series. So in this section, we are going to be learning how to organize our digital assets with the DAM, that is Digital Asset Management. So this section is to introduce you, that is the learners, to Digital Asset Management, DAM, and its role in organizing media files. So if you have a lot of files that you want to be using within your Appmint application, be it the web page editor or the creative studio, you can actually use a centralized place, the Appmint DAM, to organize your assets. So there are different steps that you can actually do to manage your assets. So and we are going to be showing you in this section on how you can actually do that. So the first step is that you already have an asset that you want to move to your digital asset management, that is your DAM. So it could be the asset, could be images, it could be videos, it could be PDFs and the likes. So the first thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to be showing you how you can upload your media files to into your DAM. Then secondly, we are going to show you how you can categorize your files into folders based on the project types so that it's easier for you to manage your files. And also it is highly recommended that the best practices to use to organize your files inside the DAM. We're also going to be telling you about that towards the end of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so right here, I'm inside my Appmint dashboard for the first Appmint website. So the next step that you are going to do for you to be able to manage your files is you are going to click on the content. So where you click on the content, you are going to be seeing a lot of options. But in this case, since we are talking about the digital asset management, so all you have to do is to click on the document. So from the document, it's going to show you the file manager. So the file manager houses all of the data that you already have on your website, be it a picture, PDF, videos, and any other media files that you might have. So the first thing that you are going to do is that if we are going to be showing you how you can upload your media files here. All right, so this is my file. So the first thing that you can do is that you upload your files. You can upload your files here right there. But before you do that, this is where the digital asset management actually comes in. So it is best to organize your asset. For instance, let's say I have about 20 to 30 files. So you will agree with me that if I should upload all of those files on this page, so it's going to make everything to be very it's going to look congested. So in this case, it is best to organize your files. So let's say I want to build a website for a business, a travel and logistic business. So I can just create a folder. Then all you have to do is to click on the plus sign here. So when you click on the plus sign here, it's going to ask you what do you want to create. Is it a folder or a file? So in this case, I will leave it as a folder. So I can now call it travel website. So then I'm going to click on add. So this means that I want to create a new folder called travel website, and this is the folder. So I can now click on this. So you can see from the root to the first Appmint website to travel website. So that means I'm now inside this folder for the travel website. So then inside this folder, I'm going to, let's say the website is going to have an home, about us, contact us. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Or maybe I don't want to have a picture only for the website. Maybe I want to have pictures and files for the website and for the social media and maybe for email marketing as well. So you can also create a folder inside that folder and click on this. Then so in the folder, I'm going to say our website files and then click on add. So now I have website files. So when I click on this, so now I should have a website file. So I'm going to refresh that. So now I have website files. Then I can also click on this travel website again and then add another folder. So let me call that folder social media files. Then I'm going to click on add again. So and when I check here now, I have website files, social media files. So now let me add email marketing files. So now with this, I know that so with this I'm going to refresh so that I can show. All right, so with this let's say I'm building a website for the travel website. I know that if I needed any files, be it pictures, videos, or PDFs that is related to the website, all I need to do is to come down to this folder for the website files. And if I need a file related to the email marketing, so all I have to do is to go there. So now that we've created a folder, the next thing is how to upload a document inside there. So to upload documents there, the first thing you are going to do is to click on that folder name. So yeah, when you click on the folder, you can see I'm inside the website files. So then the next thing is you upload the files that you want. So I'm just going to click on this upload icon. Then you change to say upload from URL or select files. So I'm going to click on select files. Then there I so here is going to, these are the files that I want to upload on the website. So I'm going to, in the website files, I'm going to so let me use this image WP, is the image tips. So that is these images, I want to use it as the hero section on the home page. And to confirm if the image has uploaded, just click on refresh. And when you click on refresh, so it's going to show the image here. So which means that it's now the image has now been uploaded. So you can click on this to cancel. So now I have an image here. So now let's say I want to upload another file inside the email marketing. So I can click on email marketing files, then click on this upload icon here and select files to upload the icon. So in this case, I'm just going to upload this. So you can upload any items that you want, be it images, videos, PDFs, and the like. So in the first part, I uploaded an image, but in this part, I'm uploading a PDF. So to confirm that your upload is successful, all you have to do is to click on the refresh. So when you click on the refresh, you can see now I have the PDF there. So then for the social media files, so let's say I want to upload the images for the social icon. So that should be the upload icon, then select files. Then I'm going to upload the so I want to upload the LinkedIn and then this video as well. So then click on open. So now I'm going to have all of those items there. So now the video is being uploaded. You can see the progress. Now it's there, now it's there, and now it's there. And for me to be able to confirm that it's successful with the update, you can see I can click on refresh. So when I click on refresh, now I should have those two items, that is those pictures. So let me click this. So now I have the so this is a video. So now let's say anytime that I want to access my file, so all I have to do is to click on document. So when I click on document, so now I have this travel website. So when I click on travel website, I have the website files in which I can access all my files related to website. I can click on the social media files to access all of the files related to my social media files, and I click on the email marketing to access all of my files related to the social media. So that is how to use the digital asset management inside within Appmint to upload and categorize your files based on the project types. So now we are going to be talking about the best practices. So the first one is that you should use descriptive file names for easier identification. So especially if you are going to be having a lot of files, so it's best to use a name that is descriptive. For instance, if I should just if I create 3 folder now, I say this to, I rename this folder to be files 1, files 2, files 2, files 3. So it won't be easier for me to know what type of files I'm putting in that folder. But if you notice, I gave these website files, I gave these social media files, I gave these email marketing files. So it's easier for me to tell someone or even go inside myself and know that this folder is mainly for email marketing files. This folder is mainly for website files. So it's highly recommended that you use descriptive name. Then the second best practices is that you should make sure that you are using the correct tags for consistency. So what this means that you have to be consistent with your renaming so that it will be easier for you to locate. And then the third best practices is that you should organize assets based on project or content type. So for instance, just like I have this project type, website, social media, email marketing, so it makes it easier for you to actually access all of your files. So also, if you don't want to use this way, you can actually say images files, video files, document files. So with that, you know that if you are looking for any files that is related to an image, you can simply go to image files and you'll be able to access them. And if you are looking for a file that is actually maybe a video or a PDF, you can easily go to a folder that is based on that. So it's actually recommended as a best practice that you should organize your assets based on the budget or content type. Now over to you, the activities that you as a learner to upload and categorize 5 assets by applying the correct project by applying the appropriate tags, that is organizing them in folder just as it is. So this is where we are going to stop for the particular section on the organizing digital assets with DAM. I'm going to be seeing you in the next section where we talk about something more interesting as well. Until then, bye.